In manufacturing, every second matters. But when your sales, order management, and billing run on disconnected systems, delays happen, errors multiply, and growth slows down. The truth is, inefficiency doesn't just cost time, it costs opportunities. Now imagine a world where your entire quote-to-cash journey runs like clockwork, connected, automated, and visible in real time. That world is powered by Salesforce Revenue Cloud. Revenue Cloud brings together CPQ, billing, and revenue recognition, all on one unified platform. From the first quote to the final payment, it gives manufacturers a 360-degree view of their revenue lifecycle. Thousands of products, complex pricing models, tight deadlines, Revenue Cloud simplifies it all. With guided selling and rules-based configuration, sales teams can quote accurate, production-ready solutions faster than ever. Once a quote is approved, orders and contracts flow automatically. No re-entry, no errors. Revenue Cloud ensures every invoice is accurate, transparent, and timely. Finance teams close the books faster and smarter. With all revenue data centralized, leaders can see what's working and what's not, in real time. Forecasts become sharper. Decisions become data-driven. Growth becomes predictable. For your customers, it means more clarity. Accurate quotes. Flexible payment options. Transparent billing. From manual to automated. From slow to scalable. That's the transformation Salesforce Revenue Cloud brings to manufacturing.